So that check it out problem says the school store is selling pens for $2 and notebooks for $3, or notebooks for $3, excuse me. The equation 2x plus 3y equals 60 describes the number of pens x and notebooks y that you can buy for $60. So where on earth did they get this equation from?
How many pens and how many notebooks?
Okay. So it says that pens are our x, right? And notebooks is our y. So where did they get the 2 and 3 then?
That's how much each pen and...
Yeah, so,
$2 for a pen.
Yep.
$2 for a notebook.
yep, it costs $2 for a pen, so that's where they get 2x, and then it costs $3 for a notebook, so that's where they get 3y.
So what does 2x really represent though?
$2.
2x, what does 2x really represent?
Amount per pen.
Everybody processing. I'm going to have them put this question
The
on the
number of
quiz.
pens.
Okay, number of pens is 2x, huh? $2 per pen is 2x, huh? Really? Okay, let's go in this store. What if you go in this store and you buy 3 pens, Devontae? How much money will you spend?
$6.
$6. What'd you do to get $6?
2 times
2 times 3. So what does 2x represent?
the cost.
No. We already know the pens are $2.
Price per pen.
The total cost, the total amount you would spend on the pens, the total cost of the pens is 2x. So what's 3y?
Total cost
Cost
of
of the notebooks.
Total cost of the notebooks. Add the two together, what do you get?
Total cost.
Total amount of money you have to spend, right? Okay.
Alright, so part A of that problem says to graph the function and find the intercepts. We can't very well graph it first if we don't have its intercepts, so let's find those. You guys can do that because you've been doing it for a few days and you guys are pros at it by now.
We actually can graph the function without finding the intercepts. They meant for us to do a table, but we're not going to. We're going to use the intercepts to graph it, so we're going to do it in reverse order.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to use the intercept method of graphing.
Wait, what?
Instead of making a table and picking x values, we're going to find the x-intercept and the y-intercept, and we're going to use those 2 points to graph.
Alright, did everyone get the same x and y intercepts that I did? X equals 30 and y equals 20? Okay, so before we graph it, are we missing a couple things from our graph?
Yeah.
Like what?
We don't know what the y and the x axes are named.
Okay, so what should we name x then?
Total cost of pens.
Is that what x is representing?
Total cost.
Just x?
How many pens?
Mm-hmm. X is the number of pens that we'll be buying, so for x we can write pens. And what's our y representing?
Notebooks.
Notebooks, right. Alright. We're still missing one more thing from our graph.
Numbers. Numbers.
The numbers. What's that mean?
You can count by like twos or ones.
Okay, so, right, that's our scale, what it goes by, or how many numbers each grid line goes by. So, if our x-intercept is 30, what do you guys think a good scale would be?
Twos.
Tens.
2s or 10s? So, let's just take a quick vote. If you want to go with 2s, raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Defined.
Okay, 5s. Alright, let's just try 2s right now. So, start at 2. We always start at 0. 2, 4. That is really busy. Alright, so if we go by 2s,
I did it on your line. I did it on your line, not
you did a what?
Each line is two.
Each line is worth 2. So, oh, I completely screwed that up, didn't I?
Just, we know what each line's two.
10,
He has to know them correctly.
14,
So do you. If you're gonna skip lines, you have to still count that, don't you?
6,
So
30. There we go. I just messed up. Alright, so if we go by 2s, each grid line is moving 2. So even though my graph right here isn't going by 2s, it's increasing by 4s. That's only because I'm skipping a grid line in between each pair. Alright, so we have our scale for our x. Our y-intercept is 20, so what's the scale we can go by with that? 2? Okay. Let's try that. 2, 6, 10, 14, 20. Alright, so we've labeled our graph, we've scaled it, so we have going by 2s by each one, so everything looks good so far. So now we can start graphing our x and y intercepts, right? Alright, and our x-intercept is 30, so go all the way over to 30, put a point right there. And what ordered pair is that?
0.
0, 30? Like that?
No, it's 30, 0. I thought you were talking
Okay. 30, 0. Okay, then we just do the same thing for our y-intercept. Our y-intercept is 20, so we go up to 20 on the y-axis.
2.
0, 20.
they need to.
Yep.
So are we good at
Mm-hmm.
Give me a reason why it would not be a good choice to go by tens. Anybody? Yeah, it'd be kind of a small graph. It would be not a very user-friendly graph because it'd be all down just in a little tight corner, wouldn't it? So going by tens would not be a good choice. How about fives? What do you feel about fives? Would it be,
Still be small.
it'd be pretty small, wouldn't it? We were given plenty of coordinate plane here to work with, so there was no reason to go by tens or by fives. Could you have gone by ones?
No.
No.
No, you would not have been able to do that, would you?
that's not it. So what is the x and y intercept representing? Or what's the x-intercept representing?
On part B.
Part B now.
How many pens are bought?
How many what?
Pens are bought.
How many pens are bought?
That's what x represents, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Is the x-intercept the same as x? Is it just x? Whatever x is, the x-intercept is?
Okay, we got confused.
Huh. Well, the x-intercept is 30.
Oh, how many notebooks?
Close.
How many notebooks and pens bought?
So say that again, Michaela.
How many notebooks and pens that are bought?
Okay, so,
Let's be specific.
okay,
That's
so
what I wrote.
our x-intercept of 30, 0, Michaela said that represents how many pens and how many
I'm gonna
notebooks
be
are bought.
specific. Listen.
So, our x-intercept, I'm still drawing lines.
It says that ordered pair 30, 0, so you guys have to be specific, so listen carefully.
Right, so the x-intercept of 30 the x-intercept of 30, Michaela said it earlier, this whole graph is representing how many pens you buy compared to how many notebooks you buy. You're given $60. So, our ordered pair, 30, 0, that's 30 pens and how many notebooks?
20.
This one.
Oh, 0.
So we buy 30 pens and 0 notebooks, right? So the x-intercept of 30 represents the number of pens you buy, or you can buy.
I think he means number, not numbers.
Number of pens you can buy when you don't buy any notebooks. Buy when you don't buy any notebooks. Alright, so if that's our x-intercept, the number of pens we can buy, and we don't buy any notebooks, what would our y-intercept represent then?
20.
Okay, so say that in a sentence, like we just wrote on our notes.
Represents the number of notebooks you can have.
Exactly. So the y-intercept of 20 represents, oh my goodness, of 20 represents the number of notebooks you can buy So, y-intercept of 20 represents the number of notebooks you can buy when you don't buy any pens. Does anyone have any questions about this stuff? So during your homework, you'll be graphing a few things and then I'll ask you what the X and Y intercept represents, so your answer should look just like we did in our notes, okay?
Which is how? What does that mean? Explain it and how do we write, how do we explain in a sentence? Sentences start with capital letters and with punctuation. Do we abbreviate the sentences? No. What's the only thing you can do that I don't make you write out in words? The number.